What is up everyone, Max back here with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you all how to connect your C6 Corvette garage door opener to your garage. I myself have a newly purchased C6 Corvette and I know that the manual can be kind of confusing, so like I said in this short video I will be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do it. I would really appreciate it if you guys did enjoy the video, if you would like the video, and leave a comment down below. Also, make sure to subscribe because there will be plenty of C6 Corvette content to come. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, for this to work, you will need a pre-programmed garage door opener separate from your Corvette for this method, but the first step that you want to do is hold the left and right buttons of your Corvette garage door opener up until you see a flashing red light right above that middle button. This should take, 20 to 30 seconds. And what you want to do after it flashes is hold the desired button down as well as the left garage door opener button, or the one that opens the garage. In my case, it was the left. And then once you see a flashing light, you want to go into your garage and go to the Learn button. You guys can see what it looks like here. Usually they only have a few buttons at the most, so it should not be too hard to spot. Go ahead and tap that. And then once you're back in your vehicle, go back to that desired button, tap it one time, go ahead and wait a second and tap it again, and it should be working. This has worked great for me, and ever since I set it up, I have not had a problem. So like I said, super happy to do it, because if you are going in and out of the house or in and out of the garage frequently, it is definitely a must. That's going to be the end of this quick video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys do have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll be sure to read them and reply. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.